Hey guys, how's it going? So this is the continuation of our big data environment setup. So at this point, I'm going to start MySQL installation. So I already opened my Ubuntu, and I already typed this command, which is sudo apt-get update. So we are going to be following the same instruction that we've been following so far. So this is the instruction for MySQL installation. So you can just copy this command here and paste it on your terminal. So basically this is going to install MySQL server for you. So after this operation, 155 megabytes of additional disk space will be used. Yes. So continue. Okay, the installation is done. So the next thing you have to do is basically you need to set your password, the root password. So if you copy this command here, paste, and password. Okay, so here what I did was basically assigned empty password, like I didn't enter any password at all. So so basically you can use this next command to basically alter the password. But first of all, let's show the database. Show database. So databases. So you have these databases already that comes with MySQL. So information schema, MySQL performance schema, SYS. So the next thing is we can basically alter our password and rename it to root. So when I was basically trying to enter the MySQL cell, I didn't specify any password at all. So if we do this, we can basically, let's see what it will give us. So query, okay, so our password for MySQL now is root. Okay, so the next thing is we can go ahead and install MySQL connector. So if we open a new terminal, and so the SQL connector we are going to install is lib MySQL Java, lib. So we paste this command, enter. So that is going to install that connector. So the installation is done. So now you have the MySQL connector installed in your Ubuntu system. So you are good to go. MySQL is there and it's working. So you can go ahead and start using it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment. Have a lovely day and goodbye.